there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here are the alphabet robots. These are really cute and a very creative way to get your child to learn the alphabet, but then also have fun with it. So each letter opens up into an individual type of robot. It has, the arms, the legs, the head opens up, and then of course you can collapse it back. And so it's kind of like a little transformer. And we know kids get a kick out of that. So we've had a lot of fun using this with our child. He loves it. And also we're able to teach him the alphabet at the same time. I also really like all of the different colors, and it's a very quality product. It's not flimsy. We've never had one of them break, and you know how rough kids are on things. So that's pretty impressive that all of these have held up. It does come, of course, with 26, and it transforms into unique robots. So I would highly recommend this if you are trying to teach your kid the alphabet, or you just want to get a fun, cool toy for them. It comes with this awesome carrying case as well, and it has a handle. So it's just perfect for on the go. And I'm really happy that we made this purchase because we use it very often, but that's just my point of view.